what I do when I start off my sketches, I always draw the bars out. And the bars are the rectangular shapes that we use to construct each letter. It's very important to me to do that so my proportions are on point and there's a continuity of the shapes of the letters and the size of the letters. So instead of freehanding, which is like drawing around the outside of a letter, you actually draw a couple of rectangles with and you connect them. And you can see that in the first sketch right there. Once I have that, then I go ahead and do the fill in, the first base layer, and then I go after that, add a couple more details. And then the final thing I do is put the final outline, the definitive outline that separates the fill in, which is the colors inside the piece, and the background. So it's usually a contrasting color. In this case, I use black, and then I put the white shines on it. So, oh, more detail first, of course. All fill in first for me. There we go.
And then